If you're a desktop user and you feel like you're constantly copying and pasting content back and forth and it's taking forever, I want to show you something that's going to make it so much easier. Instead of using a complicated Chrome extension, you can actually split your screen right inside your Chrome browser. So you're going to start by opening CinchShare in Chrome. Then just simply right click and choose Add Tab to New Split View. From there, pick your second tab that you want to open. In this case, I'm going to be using Facebook. Now I've got CinchShare on one side, Facebook on the other. I usually adjust the size of my screens, but you don't have to do this step. From here, you're going to go into your CinchShare folders and open the content that you want to share. Basically, click copy, then move over to your Facebook page or group and paste it right where you need to post. Then you can either publish or schedule. Then head back to CinchShare, click the arrow on the bottom to go to the next post and repeat. Simply copy, paste, and done. This is so helpful if you're scheduling things like party posts into a group or batching a bunch of content all at once. And what I love is that everything stays organized inside CinchShare. So the next time you need it, it's already there. If you want to try CinchShare for free for 30 days, head to lisaduck.com/CinchShare and click the link.